So for this video, I'll be discussing the second problem from the Math Wiz Quiz 4, which is a collegiate math contest simulation, which I posted a few weeks ago. For this problem, we are given that 3x equals x squared plus 1, and we're looking for the value of x to the 6 plus 1 all over x cubed. So this is a classic algebra problem, which I've seen in several competitions already. So if you're not familiar yet with the topic, I suggest that you familiarize yourself with this one because if you are trying to join some math competition, chances are you will meet this at some point. Okay, so we're given that 3x equals x squared plus 1. We can rewrite this by dividing both sides by x. If we do that, the left side simplifies to 3. Then the right side can be written as x squared plus 1 all over x, or simply x plus 1 over x. So basically, we're given that x plus 1 over x is equal to 3. This is sometimes I refer to this problem as the x plus 1 over x problem, because the given is x plus 1 over x equals 3, or some other variant of that form. And then we're looking for the sum of powers of x and 1 over x. So we're looking for x to the 6 plus 1 all over x cubed for the given problem, which we can write as x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. Now, to answer this one, we go back to what we know. We know that x plus 1 over x equals 3. We take the cube of both sides because what we want here are cubes. So maybe if we cube x plus 1 over x, we'll get something that is related to x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. Now recall that from our cube of sum formula, we know that a plus b cubed equals a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. If we apply that formula to this one, we get x cubed plus 3x squared times 1 over x plus 3x times 1 over x squared plus 1 over x cubed. And the right side would be 3 cubed or 27. If we multiply x squared and 1 over x, we just get x. 3x times 1 over x quantity squared gives us 1 over x. So this one simplifies to x cubed plus 3x plus 3 over x plus 1 over x cubed equals 27. Then we just regroup the left side. We have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times x plus 1 over x equals 27. Now, this part here is what we want. This part here is what we know. So this one becomes x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times x plus 1 over x is 3. And the right side is still 27. So we solve this. We have 27 minus 3 times 3 on the right side, which is 27 minus 9, or 18. So the answer for the problem that we are trying to answer is 18, and that's our final answer. In fact, you can generalize this problem if instead of 3 here, you make this, let's say, m. So if you're given x plus 1 over x equals m, we get that x plus 1 over x cubed equals m cubed minus 3m. So if you can memorize this formula, then sure, then it's going to help you in the competition to make things a little bit more simple. Okay? You can do the same for x squared plus 1 over x squared, x to the fourth plus 1 over x to the fourth, and so on. If you can derive the formula, go. If you can memorize that, go. But the important thing is you know how to do it from scratch so that in case you forget the formula, you can answer it still. Okay, So that's it for this question. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.